Tapir. Elders say that the tapir was from down there where she had her house. She is the mother of this land. Down there she had her home. Sibö went to bring her. He told us that the tapir is like a sister to us. The clan who kill her currently are her partners. This is the way Sibö brought the tapir at the beginning of time. She was down there in her big swamp or lake. She was in that swamp without anything to cover or clothe her. Sibö wanted to bring her to this world to prepare cocoa from its seeds. He thought about how to bring her. So he said, I'll go see my sister. He would leave us this kinship. Therefore, he said, let's see what happens. I'll go see my sister. Before he decided to go for his sister, the tapir did not know she had a brother somewhere, or that she had any relatives. She thought that she was alone with her grandmother who took care of her. Then one day she dreamt that she had a brother and he came. She told her grandmother the dream and asked what it meant. Her grandmother replied, at some point your brother Sibö will find our place. For that reason you're dreaming about him. When Sibö arrived down there where the tapir was, he said, hey sister, I have come to see you. I want to take you where I live, to Silayam, to prepare a warm cup of cocoa. She answered, brother, I will not go with you. In your place there is nothing to eat or drink. Look at my place. Look at my swamp. Look at the plants that are around me. This is the way I live. This is my life. Sibö replied, come over there, you can find your partners. Then the lady agreed to go. She said, in that case, I will go. But, she added, if I decide to go, I will take all of my belongings and my identity with me to share with my partners. I will drink from them. That means that she will choose the partners that she wants.